IRS will issue out a CP2000 when you have already filed your tax return and they want to make certain changes. My name is Sergio Melendez. I'm an IRS tax expert, enrolled agent, and Juris Doctorate. This video will cover how to respond back to an IRS CP2000. IRS CP2000 Notice is a letter that the IRS sent you for one specific tax year. The reason why you received this is because you already filed your tax return, and on that tax return there was something missing, some kind of wages and income that was reported to you on wage and income transcripts that was not included on the originally filed tax return. So what the IRS does is they automatically send you this notice and they make the corrections, and they automatically assume that it's taxable income and you have to pay the difference in tax, penalties, and interest. To get the CP2000 notice, it could have occurred with one of many different ways. Sometimes somebody does the tax return themselves through TurboTax or TaxCut. You get all the tax forms and sometimes you don't understand one, so you might have left it out. Other times you went to the tax preparer and it might have been an oversight, a mistake on behalf of the tax preparer. However, you can also challenge the IRS if the income is not taxable or you do not completely agree. The CP2000 notice is quite common for additional income such as non-employee compensation when you're an independent contractor, freelance. Certain 1099s that you never received in the mail were reported to the IRS. Also, maybe if you had some rental income, 1099 miscellaneous for rental income, such as from Airbnb, might come your way. Didn't know how to include that on the taxes. Distributions of retirement account where you thought it should have been excluded and instead it was included or reported. And also if you had student loan debt forgiveness or underwent a house foreclosure or an acquisition of debt, like if they foreclosed on a car or something like that, you would get a 1099-C cancellation of debt, which is taxable income unless you meet one of the exclusions. So you have to reply back with some form of way where you could exclude it, such as if you're 1099 non-employee compensation freelancer, you could submit your business expenses, business records of profit or loss. Same thing for 1099 for rental income. Or if you meet the insolvency or any other type of exclusions on a 1099-C cancellation. Always respond back with a cover letter of exactly what you're stating and put everything into a nicely, neatly organized packet with cover sheets for every different proof that you're submitting. This way, when the IRS gets it on their end, they see a nice, neat, organized package. You did the work for them and they're not hunting for the information. It makes things much easier to get accepted by the IRS. Okay, so even if you made your own calculations and you still have a balance due with the IRS, the whole thing is not finalized until the CP2000 unit of the IRS submits to you the final decision, which is it's on a notice of deficiency. And if you get that, then you have 90 days to petition to the tax court in case you disagree with any decision that the IRS made. But if you agree to that decision and it's still a balance that is out of control, you still qualify for any one of the other methods of tax relief out there. Just it has to be finished with this CP2000 unit first. And once you have the balance processed, then you could deal with this any other way that's available to you, such as an offer in compromise, a partial pay installment agreement, a hardship payment plan, non-collectible status. So that concludes on how you can deal with an IRS CP2000 notice. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're more than happy to review your case and see how we can help out. Remember, if you like this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.